We're at the Minneapolis Home and Garden Show. Look at some of the cool things here at the show, and that brought me to the WaterGater booth. And gang, this is a way to save some money on your utility bills, specifically your water and sewage bill if you've got city utilities. I've got Michael here. Michael, tell us a little bit more about this whole system.
Hi, so I'm Michael from WaterGater. What we've developed, it's a compression valve that you install on the property side of the water meter. It takes 10 minutes, really easy. It creates a compression zone. If we look over here, creates a compression zone that extends out onto the city side and prevents air and water vapor bubbles from passing through your water meter. So your water meter is a flow meter, so it counts everything that goes by. By creating that compression zone, you end up reducing your water bill by up to 40%. In addition, you reduce your sewage bill since your sewage is calculated from your consumption of water. If we look over at the table here, I'm going to turn this on. What you're going to see, we have a valve installed right here. It'll create the compression zone that extends through the meter line all the way down through the pump and into the water basin. Where this line here, you'll see a lot of water bubbles, and that represents the water feed that you're getting into your home. So I'll turn it on right now. So if you can see through the camera, there's a substantial amount of air, and you're paying for all of this that comes through your line. Versus on the top one, it's achieving pretty close to lamellar flow, which is all water, no air, very little. And if you pay attention to the flow meter itself, you can see the bottom flow count is spinning a lot faster than the top one. And that's where you'll end up achieving up to 40% savings on your water bill. And that's the WaterGater.
So now, does it change the pressure of the water that comes into my house at all?
You'll reduce your water pressure by 1 to 2 psi. And we've found as long as you have 45 psi or higher, that will be inconsequential to your home water source.
Does this help like any of my household fixtures having that water pressure kind of regulated?
If you've ever had hammering or irregular water pressure, this will make it a constant pressure, and it'll definitely aid in preventing damage to seals on your dishwashers. If you have a water dispensing fridge, it'll aid with all that as well.
And it takes about 10 minutes to install?
10-minute install. So on the city side of the water meter, there's a shut-off valve that you would turn off. You open up a tap or something in your kitchen to bleed the line. You simply undo the brass coupling on the property side. You would slide the valve in, again on the property side, we cannot touch the city side. You then screw the brass coupling back on. Slowly turn your water on so you don't shock your pipes, and you're good to go. Installation videos can be found at the WaterGater at watergater.com or .ca, and it shows you exactly how to do it.
We'll put links in the description below so you guys can check this out, but this could be a great addition to the homeowners who want to not be paying for all that extra air. Thanks, Michael.
Thank you.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.